Morning, folks. Okay, this is Tuesday morning. It was a windy weekend. Had some adventures, and yesterday woke up to some snow. Had a few inches. Came home from work and parked the truck. And this is what I got from overnight. And from what they originally said, it was supposed to be 3 days of this. So I guess this would be day 2. And I thought that's kind of funny. You're sitting kind of cockeyed here on Valerie, but we sure need the moisture, and I'm not complaining. That's for darn sure. So let's fire up the lightning. Well, we're out on the main road, and it looks like the snow equipment finally got recommissioned. These guys are getting after it. Thank you, fellas. Nice to see my tax dollars doing something. Easy on the mag chloride. It's only about, well, it was 30 degrees back at the house. Now it's 25 down the road here. Oh, looks like some more out. Yeah. You know, it's funny how people just don't drive ahead. Here's a guy in the right lane now. I'm clear back behind him, and I can see that there's going to be an issue up here with the plow. Why do they stay in the right lane and then crowd over at the last second? I think people drive like 10 feet in front of their bumper and then decide what they're going to do at the last second. That's how they get in trouble. Boy. There we go. Hope the guy behind me don't... Oh, they must have a lot of stuff down, because I was going a little too fast there, I would say. But I stopped all right, and that's a good sign for the guy behind me. Oh, I just love the sound of this lightning. I just wish it got better gas mileage. But I loves my little bugs, my little Volkswagens. Nothing like the sound of a V8 though.